So I'm sure there'd be quite a few of you out there who have done the same mistake as me. So today I lowered my spare wheel to get it inflated, and because I didn't want this little bit dangling off as I was driving, I just winched it up without any tire, so there was no weight as I winched it up. Now what has happened is, as you can see, there's a bit of a through that little hole there, there's looks like the wire inside has entangled itself, and now I can't lower it. So the trouble is, it's stuck. So the only way I could lower was that much, a few inches, and it's stuck, so I can't really unwind it. Before ordering a spare one, I just thought I'll give it a try. So I just drilled. So if you, I didn't film it before, but if there's this, there are 4 rivets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 rivets holding this to this bit to the other frame. So 2 plates. So there's this one cover where all the winding mechanism is, and there's this little bit on top. So there's yeah, that rivet. So what I've done is I've drilled through this side, and I've used 5 and 6 mil drill bit. So now I've got an open hole. It was covered before, it was like rivet. Now I need to get a chisel to just chip it out, that little flange bit, so I can try and plug it out. Then I see if it's worth I'd see the status of the wire in there. If it's fixable, I'll try and fix it. If not, I'll have to order a replacement one. But I just thought I'd do a quick video on how to attempt fixing it if anyone's interested, because I didn't see that many videos with all these details. So yeah, so what I did essentially was drilled from here, drilled through it. So otherwise it was covered before. Now I've drilled through it. You can see an open hole, and I did it for all 4 sides. So what I've done is I've just slowly hammered with the flathead screwdriver on this side where the rivets are. So I've managed to open one. I'll try and do that for the others. So slowly hammer through that gap there between the 2 plates. Yep, so I managed to knock it out. So it was like this, and that edge was in line with this side. So as you can see, the cable's tangled there. So I'll slowly take things apart, and there's grease there. That's the gear system that rotates the whole thing. I can see there's a cable tangled there at the top. Alright, so I'll slowly fish it out this bit. There's a little bracket here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I've managed to pull it out. As you can see, significant damage on the cable. I'll see if I can straighten that a bit so it rotates in that direction. Yeah, so I gotta try and straighten that. So the challenge is to get this sort of damaged bit straightened. So I'll get some pliers to see if I can fix it. If not, I'll have to order a new one. Alright, so I ended up using the vise and couple of pliers together, so to try and make it as straight as possible. I'll see if I can put it in the roller there and try and stick it back in. Wish me luck. Alright, so I have just installed it back on, and I've just literally hung myself onto this and got one of my helper to push it up and down, pull the winch up and down, just to ensure that it doesn't get stuck, and if once it's up. So now I've verified that it can come down. Now I'm good to put the tires in. Yeah, just do that just in case, if it's not fixed properly and gets tangled again, then it's worse with tires being there and then stuck, because there's no way you can access these bolts to take it off. So yeah, just check before. Just literally keep hanging onto this wire and keep the tension going. Anyway, it worked for me, and I wish you luck if you are facing the similar situation or the problem.